Harbor Freight Central Pneumatic 16 gauge air nibbler 96661. Just opened the box. I pulled it out of this little bag. Little beans went everywhere. I didn't really need that. I got a coupler and put on here that didn't come with that. It says oil daily, so I'm going to oil it for its first use. Generally my air tools, I run them at about 85 psi. I've used one of these before, it wasn't mine. Two things are going to happen. It's going to make a mess of these fine little shavings. I actually want to cut that out. Yeah, right along that. Eye protection and earmuffs. Let's see what happens. Okay, we cut that. Because of the arc, it's about a 19-inch circle, so 20 times pi, 20 times 3.14 is 60. So that cut about 65 inches, just zipped right along. My conclusion is the tip got really hot and it uses a lot of air. That's a 65-gallon, two-stage, 250 psi compressor, and we got to about right here and it kicked on and ran the whole way. So I guess I should have slowed down and let it regenerate, because down here I don't think I had quite enough air pressure. I was kind of gnarling it instead of really cutting it as well as I would have liked. But I'm happy. You can see that it just threw these tiny little slivers, these little half-moon shaped slivers of steel everywhere. But I guess I can deal with that because that cut was super easy. With shears that would have been a little bit problematic. I would have to mess with it. I'm going to cut again. Ear puffs, sunglasses or safety glasses, and for this I'm cutting 22 gauge steel. This says it can cut up to 16, but As you can see, I think we're kind of taxing it a little bit, but let's cut this now. Wrap up talking about my Harbor Freight Air Nibbler 16 gauge central pneumatic tool. I just finished cutting out this cyclone that I'm standing in front of using the tool. It's got a little piston that vibrates up and down, cuts little half moon shapes out. Probably wouldn't hold up to full-time all-day use in a metal shop, but for my project, a simple little cut. It worked pretty good. Definitely worth the $10 or $12 I spent on it, and so overall, not too bad.